Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Wayland support for Google Chrome. And it's very important because if you don't enable Wayland support in your own Wayland, you may experience graphical issues such as these ones. As you can see, when I try to resize the window, all those black lines, shit like that happens, and it's ugly, it's not good, it's horrible. So to enable Wayland support and fix all those black lines, all you have to do is write for Chrome flags, just like you see here. I'm going to copy and paste these into the description, so you can just copy and paste it. Then you can just search for Wayland, and prefer the zone platform, you're going to select Wayland, and then you're going to relaunch. And now it's running on Wayland. I believe before it was running on X11, on X Wayland, and it was glitchy. Now look at this. Now look at how smooth it is, how it should be. So that's really how it should be, and that's how you fix all those issues. So if you like the video, like and subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.